and I'm gonna go and pull it out and see what's this all about. This is the Lamborghini Hoverboard. Hello guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you what I got. I got this at Amazon for $226 because this wasn't used. I think it was just used once or twice, and I guess they never work out for people. But anyway, I never rode hoverboard before. I never did. I've been electric scooter, I've been in one wheel, I've been in, you know, electric bikes, electric board, or whatever you can call it, but I've never been to the hoverboard. It's just that before I got no interest of it, but now this one, just I saw this and I have something for this that I also want to show you in my next video. But I got this because I'm just like, you know what, I think I'm gonna go for this one, you know, something different, and it has a sport mode and it has cool feature to it. You know, you can ride it different terrain. I'm gonna go ahead and see if it can, but yeah, that's about it. I've never really rode one of these before. It's gonna be challenging for me, so hopefully I don't bust my behind on this thing. But there's actually some other feature in here, like a beginner mode, that you can actually be safe riding this thing, you know, not even killing yourself. But I'm gonna go ahead and check it out, what's inside. And I'm super excited unboxing this thing. It's my first hoverboard. I never owned one. It's gonna be interesting, but I'm just gonna show you guys my first impression on this hoverboard. Yeah, you see that? And like I said, I got it on Amazon anyway, so if anything happened, I'm still on warranty. And first thing I get in this box is instruction, user manual, and I get another charger, brake in here, and let's go ahead and open it up and let's see. And this is the carbon fiber. Oh god, it's heavy. Holy man. This is a heavy board. This is heavier than my one wheel or my other board. But wow. I don't even think this is used. It looks brand new. It looks brand new. Wow. This is my first hoverboard. I never actually owned one of these, but it's very interesting. Now that I'm getting to it. Wow. See what's all about? Okay, something here is popping out. Maybe that's the one. Interesting, guys. Yeah, this right here is okay. I see that. That looked like it just needed to be pushed in, and I think everything's fine. Very interesting. Never been into the hoverboard. It's brand new. I mean, everything still have tire. They call it nipples on the tire. So if you remove this, you avoid a warranty. So hopefully, but everything is fine. Everything's new. I don't know why. Maybe it's a little defect to it, but so this is what's just in the comment box, and that's about it, guys. So all I had to do is just take off this bolt here in the back, and that bracket will automatically just come off and just realign everything, and that's it. Simple. I mean, I don't think it's anything else that hard to do on this. So first of all, if I want to go ahead and stop it, I can stop the hoverboard, and if I do want to go ahead and start it, loud, and that's the speedometer. You can actually see when it's going. It shows you your speed, and also you have the horn, and then you have the lights. If you decided to turn off the lights or turn it on, you turn it back on. And the same thing with the front. And okay, and then you can go over here to the settings, and if you're a beginner, so you won't kill yourself, you can put it in normal, you put it weak. And most of the people that actually fall from hoverboard is either hitting the bumps or the turns. That's the most common. And you can put it weak over here on the force, and also the rotate. If you want to rotate, you want weak on that one, the steering. So you can just go ahead and put it low. And the speed, of course, I'm still a beginner, and put the miles. And I guess you can do more self-check. If something wrong, if you fall, you want to go ahead and recheck the board, make sure everything is okay, and all this will check in and it will get you a notification. And go back to the app. It's simple. Yeah, so I got this for what I paid for, and the only thing that I have to do is tighten one of these edges here, and I'm willing to go. And that's about it, really. And I'm gonna go ahead and just showing you guys what's the app, and that's about it. Again, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.